Welcome. In the next 8 minutes, I will give you the exact system that senior IAS officers and UPSC coaching veterans use to get publication quality answers from AI in under 2 minutes. No fluff, no theory, just 6 core techniques and a master prompt you can use tonight. We cover zero shot, few shot, chain of thought, role-based prompting, structured output, and constraint-based prompting. Then combine all 6 into one powerful master prompt that generates a GS Paper 4 ethics answer in one shot. Let us begin. Let me show you exactly why prompting matters. Vague prompt. Write something about water conservation. Result? Generic, unfocused, unusable for any exam. Now a precise prompt. Same AI LLM. Same topic. I am a UPSC mains aspirant preparing for GS Paper 1. Act as a senior IAS officer. Explain water conservation challenges in India in 300 words. In answer format with introduction, body, and conclusion. The result? Structured, examiner ready, score worthy. Better prompts equal higher exam scores. Every single time. Every strong prompt combines 5 elements: context, role, task, format, and constraints. This is the CRTFC framework. Context. As a UPSC mains aspirant preparing for GS Paper 3 on Science and Technology. Role. Act as a senior IAS officer with 20 years of UPSC experience. Task. Explain Digital India's impact on rural development. Format. Structure as introduction, 3 key points, and conclusion. Constraint. In 250 words with formal UPSC exam tone. That single prompt generates a near-perfect mains answer. Keep this CRTFC framework in mind as we cover each technique. Technique 1. Zero-shot prompting. Give AI LLM a clear instruction and it uses its built-in knowledge to respond. Here is a live example. I ask AI LLM. Write a 150-word introduction for a UPSC mains essay on technology as a tool for inclusive growth. Use a strong opening statement, a brief context line, and end with a thesis. Every element of that prompt is doing a job. The topic, the word count, the structure, the purpose. Result? A structured, examiner-ready essay introduction in 8 seconds. Zero shot is your everyday workhorse. Use it for essay intros, study notes, and quick summaries. Technique 2. Few shot prompting. This is a game changer for current affairs classification. You give AI LLM 3 to 5 labeled examples, and it learns your exact pattern. Example 1, Satyagraha movement. GS1. Example 2, RTI Act Amendment. GS2. Example 3, solar energy targets. GS3. Now classify. Panchsheel principles. AI LLM responds. GS1. History in India's foreign policy. Correct. Every time. You can now tag 50 current affairs headlines to their GS papers in seconds. That is revision at scale. Few shot is your classification engine. Technique 3. Chain of thought prompting. Tell AI LLM to think through a problem step by step before giving its final answer. The magic phrase is, think step by step. Those 4 words unlock a completely different quality of response. For a complex mains answer, I structure it. Step 1. Identify the UPSC topic in GS paper. Step 2. Recall key facts, schemes, and dimensions. Step 3. Structure introduction, body, and conclusion. Step 4. Write in under 250 words with formal tone. AI LLM follows this reasoning chain and covers every dimension systematically. Use chain of thought for any multi-dimensional UPSC topic, which is almost every topic. Technique 4. Role-based prompting. When you give AI/LLM a specific expert persona, it completely shifts its vocabulary, tone, and depth of analysis. Here is the power prompt. Act as a retired IAS officer with 20 years of experience as a UPSC examiner. Evaluate my answer on India's water management policy and suggest 3 specific improvements to increase my score. Specific role: retired IAS officer. Specific experience: 20 years as an examiner. Specific output: 3 improvements. The feedback you receive is genuine examiner grade critique. Name the institution. Name the years. Name the specialization. The more specific your role, the sharper your output. Technique 5. Structured output. Instead of asking AI/LLM to explain something, tell it exactly what format you want. A table, a bullet list, a comparison chart. Here is a powerful use case. I have 5 current affairs articles. I ask AI/LLM. Summarize them as a revision table with columns. Topic, key facts, UPSC relevance, and GS paper. Keep each cell under 20 words. The result? A clean, printable revision table, ready in seconds. Every cell under 20 words. Every topic tagged to its correct GS paper. This technique is especially powerful in the last 30 days before mains when you need to revise fast and retain more. Technique 6. Constraint-based prompting. This is perhaps the most directly useful technique for mains answer writing. Add explicit rules and limits to your prompt. Write a UPSC mains answer on India's space policy in under 200 words. Using simple formal language, with introduction body conclusion structure. Suitable for GS paper 3. 4 constraints in one prompt. Word count, language level, structure, and target paper. Every constraint you add narrows AI/LLM's output closer to exactly what you need. Think of constraints as your quality control filter. 4 constraints equals 4 times better output. Always. Now, let us combine all 6 techniques into the master prompt. The scenario: you are a UPSC mains aspirant. GS paper 4 ethics case study. 250 words. Here is the master prompt built layer by layer. Context: UPSC mains 2025. GS paper 4. Ethics case study on administrative dilemma. Role: act as a UPSC examiner with 20 years of paper setting and evaluation experience. Chain of thought: think step by step. Identify ethical dimensions, stakeholders, values at conflict, and resolution. Format: structure as introduction, ethical analysis, resolution, and conclusion. Constraints: under 250 words. Formal tone: examiner-friendly language. 5 layers, 5 techniques, 1 prompt. The output: introduction sharp and contextual. Ethical analysis with every stakeholder named. Resolution practical and principled. Conclusion forward-looking. Score ready in under 2 minutes. Context plus role plus chain of thought plus format plus constraints. Burn that formula into your memory. Critical warning before you use any of these techniques. AI/LLM can hallucinate. It can state incorrect facts, invented scheme names, and wrong statistics with complete confidence. If you submit an AI/LLM assisted answer without verifying, an AI/LLM hallucinated a scheme name or wrong article number, that error goes into your answer booklet. Rule 1. AI/LLM assists. You decide. Always verify key facts, statistics, scheme names, and constitutional articles from your standard sources. Rule 2. Iterate. If the first answer is not right, refine your prompt. Add a constraint. Specify a dimension. Ask AI LLM to try again. Rule 3. Never write something in your answer booklet that you cannot explain in your own words. AI LLM is a power tool. Use it wisely. Here is your quick reference cheat sheet. Bookmark this. 0 short. For essay intros and quick summaries. Few short. For classifying topics by GS paper. Chain of thought. For multi-dimension UPSC answers. Role-based. For answer evaluation and expert feedback. Structured output. For current affairs revision tables. Constraint-based. For timed answer writing practice. And the strongest prompt combines all of them. Context plus role plus task plus format plus constraints equals the master prompt. 5 key takeaways from this video. 1. Prompting is a skill. Vague in, vague out. Invest 30 seconds in your prompt. 2. Always include context, role, task, format, and constraints. 3. Combine techniques. Role plus chain of thought plus format equals expert level output. 4. Iterate. Refine the prompt, not the AI LLM. 5. Review all output. AI LLM assists. You decide and take responsibility. Your challenge for tonight. Pick your next UPSC topic and run the master prompt. You are now equipped to use AI tools to study smarter and score higher. Tonight, before you sleep, open an AI LLM. Pick your next mains topic. And run the master prompt. Write what it gives you. Verify it. Refine it. Make it yours. If this helped you, subscribe. Because every week we release tools, techniques, and frameworks built specifically for UPSC mains aspirants. Share this with one study partner who is still typing vague prompts into AI. They need to see this. Good luck, study smart, and remember, better prompts equal better answers. Always.